Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use gyroscope in Free Fire. First, understand that gyroscope aiming uses your phone's motion sensors. By tilting your device, you can control your character's aim, offering a more immersive and potentially more accurate way to target opponents. It's a powerful tool for improving your gameplay, especially for fine-tuning shots. To get started, open Free Fire and navigate to the game's settings menu. Look for the Controls tab, and within that section, you'll find the gyroscope option. Make sure to enable it. After enabling, experiment with the sensitivity slider. A good starting point might be around 70% to 80%, but adjust it until it feels natural and responsive for your aiming style. In actual gameplay, use the gyroscope for those crucial micro-adjustments, especially when an enemy is moving slightly. It works best in conjunction with your thumb aiming, allowing for incredibly precise control. For example, use your thumb for large movements and the gyroscope for fine-tuning headshots. Practice tracking moving targets to master this technique effectively. The main benefits of using gyroscope include improved reaction time and significantly enhanced accuracy, particularly for long-range shots. It also reduces the strain on your thumbs as you're using your device's natural movement. Remember, mastering the gyroscope takes time and consistent practice. Spend about 15 minutes daily in training mode to build muscle memory and become proficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.